Hey, so if you're managing a remote team and things feel a bit scattered, yeah, Trello can help you bring everything into one organized space. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Trello to manage remote work, keep your team aligned, and stay productive. First, create a central board for your remote team. This will act as your main workspace where all tasks and updates are shared. Next, organize your board with clear workflow lists like to do, in progress, review, and done. This helps everyone understand the current status of tasks. Now, assign tasks to specific team members. This removes confusion and makes accountability clear so everyone knows what they're responsible for. For remote teams, communication is key. Use comments inside cards to share updates, ask questions, and keep discussions in one place. Set due dates for tasks and be mindful of time zones. This helps your team stay aligned, even if they're working in different locations. Use labels to organize tasks by priority in department or project type. This makes it easier to filter and find work quickly. To save time, yeah, use automation features like Butler to handle repetitive actions like moving cards or sending reminders. And finally, combine Trello with regular team check ins. Use your board during meetings to review progress and plan next steps. So, yeah, that's how to use Trello for remote work teams. Once everything is set up, your team can collaborate smoothly, no matter where they are. If this helped, subscribe for more simple productivity guides.